Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change your Instagram name or username on your phone. So first you have to go on your Instagram app, click on your profile, click on edit profile. So I want to change my name and I want to add YouTube. You can add whatever you want. Click done or OK. And here you can also add your website or some bio, and you are also welcome to add your YouTube channel if you have one. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe, and also add a comment down below, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.